Hi from Tone Hair Salon. Hope you guys are braving out the hurricane that we're getting. I guess it's supposed to get pretty bad. It's a little gloomy in here from the weather looking all cloudy. But anyways, we're here and we are gonna go over what a balayage is. I think a lot of people, they don't know what balayage is and they don't know how to say it sometimes. Sometimes y'all say like, what's that word that they say? Balayage. Balayage. Or what's that hair product? I can't even say it wrong. I say it right so many times. Anyways, I'm going to teach you guys what balayage is. So sometimes we use foil to create the balayage look, which is kind of like a lived-in look with a little bit of a rooty look to it, but then also some money piece blondes, which we all love right now, especially for fall. If we have a lot of blondes in the area and that we're kind of transitioning into a little bit of a darker, a root melt balayage is beautiful. So you kind of keep all the brightness around the face and in the back, but then you do a little root smudge, root melt in the back, and a few foils. So we're kind of introducing some of your natural. We have our model today because I'm actually doing a one-on-one session with my girl Stacy, who we're so excited about having her. And I'm all about teaching my stylist the correct ways to do the color that I do. I've been doing hair for over 16 years, and it is my passion. So I love to teach my stylists the little things that I think really matter when you're doing color that I think a lot of stylists maybe miss. So today what we're doing is a mix of highlights and some foliage. So in a foliage technique, it kind of gives you that balayage look, but with tease and inside of foil to give you that bright blonde. So where is that, I had a little notebook. It's gone. Anyways, I can kind of go over like what exactly I'm also going to do. There it is. Okay, so some questions that you guys have about balayage. I get messages all the time. How much is balayage? So the price is very custom. Everybody's different. It really matters if you have it's virgin hair or if there's box color on there. It really is one of those things where we advise you guys to come in for a consult. Consultations take about 20 minutes. They're complimentary. You can schedule that online through our Vivaro booking system or go over to tonehairsalon.com and you'll be able to book a consultation. Then we can kind of look at your hair. Sometimes we do test strands, and I'll tell you what, Samuel, he did a test strand yesterday, and thank God, because when he lifted that color, it turned orangey, and then she wanted purple, and he put purple on it, and then it turned green, which that is the color wheel. It makes perfect sense, but we're glad that we did the test strand first to kind of see how it would come up. So that's a lot of the times when we do a consultation, we'll do a test strand just to kind of see what you can come up with on the brightness level of your hair. A lot of times, a lot of blondes tell me that they have brass or gold, and a lot of that is because of the foil technique that was used, and then their lightener is not staying on the hair long enough to process perfectly. I think a lot of people also ask what a toner is. A toner is to perfect the hair or fill in and make the hair shiny. It is not part of our technique of correcting it. When we do our blondes stay blonde. They stay nice and icy. The toner is the icing on the cake for us. What other questions? Oh, no more questions. I think I did it all. If you guys have any questions though, please put it in the comments. I'm going to show you guys what a hand-painted balayage is, okay? And this is the technique that I learned and just love. See how she has some old highlights here? We're going to start to blend that out a little bit. Oh, another question that I get is, how often do they need to come back? So really with a balayage, you don't have to get anything done for probably 4 months. It grows out really beautifully, so you don't have to have a high maintenance look and come in every 6 weeks to get anything done. Usually I do the balayage, like I said, it grows out beautifully. If you wanted to come back in, you can get your money pieces brought up so you can have some blonde around the face, but Other than that, it is a very low maintenance look, and I love it. Balayage has been around for at least 5 years now, and it just gets better and better. I'm gonna do one more piece for you guys, and then I have a special announcement. Again, see, she has some old highlights in there, and we are just blending that out. Okay, I'm going to continue doing this throughout her head. I'm going to go in the back, and then I'm even going to do a few more pieces on the side. It's going to look so beautiful. We're going to have before and after pictures. Here is our special announcement, though. Stacy here wants to raffle off a highlight for y'all. So what I need you to do is go into the comments. I think y'all probably know this by now. We do a lot of raffles, and we love them. All you have to do is tag 2 of your friends that would be interested in maybe visiting us at Tone, and share this post and heart it. Heart, lots of hearts. I want to see heart.
Lots of hearts.
Yes.
I look forward to meeting you.
Yes, and she's brilliant and beautiful. I love her already. She's done fantastic work. She's already getting 5-star reviews. It's amazing.
Thank you.
But yeah, she wants to, as her introduction to Tone, she would love to raffle off a highlight. And so, like I said, tag 2 friends, share this post, heart this post, and then when do you want to do the raffle?
Want to do it a week from now?
Yeah, what's today? I don't even know what today is. Thursday? Thursday?
Good.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, next Thursday, guys, stay tuned. We're going to do another live video raffle for the winner of Highlights by Stacy.
Yes.
All right,
Bye.
y'all have a great day. Stay safe, and I love y'all.